Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Utkarsh, and in today's video, we'll define what is a stock and what is a stock market. We'll also discuss the participants in the stock market. Stay tuned till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. A stock or share represents a fixed percentage ownership in a company or business. For instance, if a company has issued 100 shares and you own 1 share, you have a 1% ownership in the company. This means you own 1% of the company's net assets and net profit. Now, let's define the stock market. A stock market is a marketplace for stocks where willing buyers and sellers come together to trade. This trading can occur on a stock exchange, which manages the risks, or privately between two parties. A stock exchange is essentially a platform where buyers and sellers transact securities. We'll dive deeper into stock exchanges in upcoming videos. When it comes to stock markets and exchanges, trading can occur in two main markets: primary market and secondary market, which we'll discuss these in detail in later lectures. Participants in the stock market can be broadly divided into two categories based on their investment size and strategy complexity. First, retail investors. These are the individuals with surplus savings. They either trade based on their own analysis or recommendations from brokers and analysts. Their investments are small, and they typically follow simple strategies. Second, institutional investors. These include banks, mutual funds, insurance companies, and pension funds. They invest large amounts of pooled capital and often use complex investment strategies. With dedicated research teams and fund managers, they aim to achieve superior returns. So that's all for today's video, where we learned about stocks, the stock market, and its participants. In the next video, we'll dive into understanding primary market. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.